Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. The last time I did a video on how to create and verify Bitget accounts, and I promised to do another follow-up video on how to transfer USDT from one exchange to another, let's say from Mexc exchange to Bitget exchange, and then use the USDT to trade on spot. And this is the follow-up video. So I've already logged into my Mexc account. It's very simple to log into your Mexc account. After, you must have created an account with Mexc or with another exchange. It can be Mexc, it can be KuCoin, it can be any other exchange, Bitget, and then the rest of them. All you need to do after signing up, the way I already explained how to sign up using Bitget, you just need to enter your email address and your password and then log into your account. I've already logged into my Mexc account. Now I want to send USDT. I have small USDT on my Mexc account. I want to send it to my Bitget account. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go to my Bitget account. I've logged in as well, and I'll go to assets. I'll click on assets and now click on add funds, and then click on deposit crypto. So it will ask me the crypto I want to deposit. I'll select USDT here. If you don't find USDT here, you can come here and search and look for USDT. You can see USDT Theta. I'll select that. Then I'll be asked to choose network. Which network do I want to send to? Do I want to send to TRC20? Or I want to send to Ton network? I always prefer to send either to TRC20 network or to Ton network because they have the lowest gas fee. Let me select Ton network. Alright, as you can see, my address has been generated. So what I need to do is to copy the address right here. I've copied it now. You can see copied on the screen. And then the moment I send this USDT from my exchange from Mexc exchange to this exchange, the USDT will be transferred to my spot account. If I want it to be sent to my funding account, I can click on this arrow here and send it to funding account. But there's really no need to send it to funding account because for me to trade with the USDT, it has to be on my spot account. Although even if I send it to my funding account, I can still transfer it on my Bitget exchange from my funding account to my spot account. So for now, let's select the spot account because we're using it to trade on spot. So I've already copied the address. So let me now head to my Mexc exchange. I'm now back to my Mexc exchange. Let me withdraw the USDT. I'll click on my wallet and I'll click on withdraw. You can see the withdraw there. What am I withdrawing? I'm withdrawing USDT. Select withdrawal method. I'm going to select on-chain withdrawal because that's what I want to do, because I'll be transferring my crypto, that's my USDT, to my other exchange. On-chain withdrawal means transferring crypto to wallets or other exchanges. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. So I'll click on on-chain withdrawal. USDT has been selected already, and that's what I want to withdraw. What I need to do next is to enter the wallet address that I'll be withdrawing the money to. I've already copied the wallet address, so I'll click on paste. I've pasted it now. Automatically it selected the network, which is the Ton coin network that I selected earlier. Okay, there is another thing I need to do here. Most times if you are sending using Ton network, you need to also copy out what we call a memo or a tag identifier most times. But if you're sending through TRC20, tags or memos are not always needed. Now this Mexc exchange requires that I input a memo or tag identifier, so I'll have to go back to my Bitget to see if a memo is here. You can see I'm on my Bitget exchange. I'll now look to see if there is a memo or a tag. So at this point there is no memo or tag. So I'll simply return to my Mexc exchange and click on no memo or no tag identifier. But remember, you need to confirm if the other platform requires a memo or a tag. If they do, you need to input it here. if you don't and they require it, your assets will be lost. So I'll have to go back and select on Mexc. So the network fee is 0 USDT. So how much USDT do I want to withdraw? Let me select the amount. I'm going to be withdrawing all. What I have left is 20.50 USDT, and you can see received here. What I'll be receiving is exactly the same amount because I won't be charged any gas fee. Assuming I'm using other networks like TRC20, I'll be charged like 1 USDT or 0.99 USDT. And if I'm using other networks that requires gas fee, I won't be receiving up to this 20 point something USDT. So let's go. I'll now click on confirm. I'll click on confirm again. It's loading. So I'll click on confirm. So I'm required to input my email address and then also get a code for my phone number. So I click on get code for phone number and then also get code for my email address. So I'll wait to receive the codes so that I can input them. I will proceed. So let me fast forward this process. Okay guys, I got an email that my withdrawal is successful. So let's proceed with the rest of the video. Let's now click on assets and see if we've received the USDT. So I click on assets, and as you can see, we've received USDT here. Apart from the tonfish meme coin that I initially have on my Bitget, I now have USDT. If you want to see the balance, I can click on this total balance here. You can see the eye arrow here. I click on it and you can see 20.51 USDT has been received. So that's how to transfer USDT from one exchange to the other. And if I want to use this USDT to trade now, I can click on markets and now select the crypto that I want to buy with it. So let me just choose for one crypto that I'll buy and use it as an example. Okay, let's say Notcoin. Let me buy Notcoin with the 20.5 USDT. I've clicked on Notcoin, you can see it. Once I click on Notcoin, I'll click on trade. Look at it, buy. So but here we have limit order, we also have market order. These are the two that I normally use. For limit order, you're the one to set the price that you want. The price of Notcoin now is 0.12931. Assuming I want to buy at a lower price, I can set the price to be 0.0, let me be typing it, 0.011 instead of 0.0129. So what it means is that I'll set this market like this and now select the quantity I want to buy. Because I want to buy the whole of 20.5, I'll draw this here. From here you see 0%, 25%, 50%, 75%, 100%. 100% means that the whole of 20.51 USDT should be used to buy this crypto. So the moment I click on buy not, it will trigger once the price gets to 0.011 and buy this for me. But if I want to quickly buy this Notcoin at this price, I will just take the market order. I click on market, and then the market order means that it should buy at the current price, which is 0.012935. Then I'll select the quantity I want to buy. Assuming I want to buy half, I want to DCA, that's dollar cost averaging. Maybe I'll buy half now and then watch the market. I can start to buy this 51% now and come back later to use limit order to buy the remaining 49%. But if I want to buy everything at this price, I'll just quickly click, I'll draw everything to 100% and buy. And after you buy, I don't need Notcoin, so I already have Notcoin in another exchange. I think I have it on my Bybit exchange. It's not entirely advisable to have all your assets, all your crypto in one exchange. I don't want to buy Notcoin, but the moment I click on buy not, I'll buy. And when you come to these assets, instead of having this USDT here, you have NOT with the quantity that you've been able to buy. Alright, that will be all for now. I hope I've been able to do justice to the video and you've been able to understand how to transfer USDT from one exchange to the other and how to trade on spot. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel. God bless you. Bye for now.